Imagine making money with a business model so simple, yet almost no one is talking about it. So many people are looking for different ways to make money online, whether it's e-commerce, dropshipping, etc., etc. But most of these models have high risk and requires a lot of manual work. What if I told you there is a better, faster, and an easier way? Most online businesses fail because they are too complicated, take forever to set up, and require complicated things like delivery, return, and all those things. But this business model is different. It's simple and scalable. And the best part, you can start it with just one powerful tool. If you're new to the channel, my name is Tumto Siram, and I've been in the ups and downs of online business space since 2020. And after trying blogging, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, crypto, MLM, trading, and whatnot, I found this incredible business model. It allowed me to build a profitable business with a recurring revenue, and I'm going to share it with you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start a SaaS business with minimal investment, automate almost every part of it, land your first client fast, and start generating recurring revenue. And if you take action today, you can start generating recurring income month after month. Alright, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about what is SaaS. If you expand this abbreviation, it is called Software as a Service, which means providing software as a service to individuals and businesses. Some examples are Calendly and booking calendar most businesses use these days. A common one, you might have heard about it, Shopify. It's an e-commerce hosting service. Then there's Adobe, which has its own suite of different softwares. Alright, you might be thinking, how can I build this kind of software without big investment or without being a coding expert? Well, that's where the best software that I found out comes in. GoHighLevel. You might have heard about it or maybe not. Well, it's the best software out there that allows you to white label the platform itself, add your own branding in it, and sell it to your prospects and customers. Which means you can add your own domain name to it, add your logo, set the pricing and all, and start selling it in whatever price that you want. So this software is an all-in-one automation marketing software that most businesses benefit from, which makes it easier for you to sell it to your target niche. We'll talk about the features of this software maybe in my next video, or you can also check this video out in the card above where you can learn more about the software and its feature. Now let's talk about why this business model works. The first thing is its built-in features. You don't have to build it from scratch, no technical knowledge needed. And as I told you just now, it's an all-in-one automation and marketing software and benefits most businesses, which makes the software easier to pitch to your clients. Anyways, here are some of its main features if you're curious. AI suite, or you can say AI agent or AI employee, which consists of voice AI that receives calls for you, chatbot for your website, and also it automatically replies to your comments, DMs, and messages, etc. The next is website builder and funnel builder. You can create as many websites and funnels inside of it. Reviews management system. This is one of my favorite features that I like to pitch to businesses. It connects to multiple platforms like Google, Facebook, Yelp, etc., etc., and help businesses generate more reviews for them. Next is courses and communities. You can build as many courses as you want inside of it, and also build a community like school all under one platform. And booking calendar and many more features. These are some of the few features. If I go on and mention all the features inside it, it will take forever for me. The second thing is the low startup cost. The software has 3 pricing plans, $97, $297, and $497 per month. If you want to go all in, you can get the $297 or the $497 plan. These plans give you more power over GoHighLevel and how you can make the most out of it. The $297 plan allows you to sell it to unlimited clients, which means you can create unlimited sub-accounts for your clients. The only thing is, you can't do this automatically, you'll have to manually create a sub-account. But it's enough to get started as an agency or a SaaS owner. If you want to sell it as a true SaaS with automated account creation for your customers and earn some markup fees on email, SMS, and AI usage, you can go for the $497 plan. If you just want to learn the software and test it out first, you can go for the $97 plan, which gives you the same features as the $297 plan, but you can create only 3 sub-accounts, which means you can sell it to 2 more customers. I'll make a separate video about the pricings of GoHighLevel and which plan you can choose. But if you want to get started right away, just reach out to me on my socials and I can help you choose the right plan. Alright, number 3, recurring revenue. The SaaS business model allows you to earn recurring revenue month after month. The more clients you sign up, the more revenue you generate each month. Here's a simple math to show you that. Let's say you are selling it for $97 per month, and each month you are generating 10 clients, which will amount to 120 clients in a year, which is 12 months. Let's say you churn out 20 clients in the time period. You'll be down to 100 clients in the end of the year, and that will bring you 9.7k dollars each month. And that's only for the $97 per month plan. Many people are selling it for $297, $497 and even higher. Now you can do the math on that yourself. Now you might be thinking if this is possible or you can do it or not. Then you don't need to worry, I can help you with that. You just have to sign up for GoHighLevel using my affiliate link, which I'll leave in the description. And you'll get access to all my setup, automations, snapshots, templates, marketing strategies, courses and all those things inside my private community, which costs $97 per month, but it will be free for you. By the way, you can also join the GoHighLevel's official 5-day AI challenge that helps you set up your account and get you your first client within 5 days. I'll leave the link to that too in the description. Alright, the number 4 reason why this business model is the best business model is low maintenance. I won't lie, the support and the maintenance depends on the features that you are selling. But yes, it can be of low maintenance if you invest more into this business model and sign up for different services out there. There are many other agencies and businesses out there that are offering white label services to GoHighLevel SaaS owners. They'll do all the things for you. They'll onboard your clients, offer support to them and everything. You just need to invest some more money into it. Now let's talk about how to get started. Step 1, just sign up for GoHighLevel using my affiliate link. Step 2, set up your account and white label it. My free course guides you with this. I removed all the bluff and only added the main things important when you are starting up with GoHighLevel in that course. You'll find the link to the course also in the description. Step 3, start promoting it. Inbound and outbound promotion, social media, cold email, cold calling, cold DMs, all those things. Find what your strength lies in and go all on it. Don't go multiple platforms in the beginning. Just choose one way of promotion. You don't need to worry about it if you don't have any experience. You can find all the support for it in my private community. Another option is just sign up for the 5-day AI challenge, as I mentioned earlier. The truth is, there are lots of ways to make money online, but very few are simple and scalable like this business model. SaaS with GoHighLevel not only gives you a powerful tool to help businesses out there, but also creates a reliable stream of income for you. And the best part, you don't have to be a technical genius or spend months building your software. You can just get started today. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and also for tutorials on GoHighLevel SaaS.